I'm going to show you how to properly crimp wire without soldering. And I used to be a big fan of soldering, but some cases it's just not feasible to do that much, and some cases it's not actually better. Strip a little bit back. I like to give it a little bit of a twist. And if you look on here, there's a little slit in most of these, and then your crimpers, you want to put that slit on the half moon side. That way the pointy is going into the smooth part. And you can buy uninsulated crimps like this, or you can just peel the jacket off. Crimps you may already have laying around. And just to show you how strong they are, I mean within reason, I mean if you really want to, you're going to get it out, but that is a cold weld. And you can do this for joining wires together also. Same as before. Nice little dimple. Stick your other wire in. It's not coming out. It's way stronger than trying to do the insulated crimps. You can't crimp it that good if you got insulation on it. So crimp it before, and then you can put a real nice adhesive lined marine grade heat shrink. Whether you need it or not, moisture will find a way in there. It's good stuff when you see it oozing out. And that's it.